lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying.
One day, okay? One day, okay? Or if not, right, we can tuck this in, like where no, outside won't be nice. This one is like outer where it's good. Then I layer inside, and you can get like the turtleneck inside or and leave this like unbuttoned. Ooh, can show the non-existent collarbone. Yeah. Oh my, shoe broken already, shoe. Got hold on. Oh my god. Takashimaya. Yes, commented because you look pictures of sale and our shoes because I have a hole in my name. It's okay, mine also got a hole. Holy shoes. Holy shoes. And the side also.
A few moments later.
The smell of new books is so nice.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And
Oh, sorry. It's okay. Let's go.
you
Iconic though.
have got my hand.
Looks like they're selling flowers and plants. Are they gonna like plant new ones? Okay, we found the cause. Yeah, but what do you want to get though?
Hearing your voice every
Yeah, I think I'll get these. So cute. There's so many designs.
What we're doing today, both can stand up. And two more. In between, maybe you can ask me some questions. Because I'm also very multitasking on my wife. She can somehow dispense this to everyone. Okay, waiting for the turn.
Okay.
Any more for you?
For my canvas, please.
This is a little monster. You lick this better than you do something else. Terrible. Yeah. Then other than that, right, the two of them are very, very happy to play. Later when you're free, right, you can grab a toy from the together. And some of you might be more interested in playing with pets and matching up with them. Okay? So other than this four, okay, we have Rue. So Rue is actually one of the early matches of life. Even though I got the more palette, body, but that's what I need. Yeah.
Yummy.
So this one is very sweet. That's right. And for the just let us meet at Division, alright? Yeah. Is this him? This is him. Hello. Hi, Kinako.
It's so much bigger.
Yeah. You missed everything already.
Oh! So
That's all. Yeah. So we do have to not feed them too much. So that's 4 years old. Sesame on top of the shop. Everyone is fine. And suddenly the rest of them are only 8, 9 months. So you can see very different behaviors.
Oh, look at everyone else at the back. Oh, he just woke up. Yeah, I was thinking, but like how low? Because the other one. Make that one up. Just oh, like shoot it like this. I feel like this is usually near like it's like the movies, the following from the. You can just hear like or you can like put the one first. Shoot a big one.
and I'm not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control.
Here is a mix of like basically some meats and a bit of broth. We add some kibbles as a topper because they didn't eat very much in the morning session. So again, a bit more lah. Okay. So for this plate, just be careful when you're moving. Please don't do this because it will spill. Like done already. No need to say so much. Okay, sorry. So you just hold 2 plates close to your chest. Okay. You take the gray plate.
Human slave.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do my work.
So around you, make a lot of noise. It's super fun. Okay, let's go. I'll follow behind around the arm. It's a cat choir now.
Don't go down there. Okay, you can follow the line here.
Closer. Over there, baby. Over there.
Pass over the chair.
Oh.
Okay, wait, I got some plates here. Okay, one more here. There, okay. Okay, I'm short of a cat. Why?
Love green eh.
Ready? Where you go?
Ayo.
Where you go, baby? Your food is here. Come on, baby. So the rule is once the cat leaves, the plates are free for all. So the empty plates, we allow them to eat off, no worries. Yeah, it's just that the new fosters, they are still charged it because we don't want to do too much for them. Plus, we also don't have much time for them. So we focus more on getting them ready to be in the studio. When they're in the studio, that's when they take the next big step. Because in the studio, every day we have different faces coming in and different people with different smells, different mannerisms, and everything. Cats, they...
Yeah, I hope I don't fall. Okay.
Cute.
Oh, me?
Cute. Yes, you ready? I'm ready.
Yeah.
3, 2.
Make sure it doesn't shit. I'm so scared. You wanna put it inside? Are you okay with that? Yeah. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
So cute. We're too glamorous. It's okay. No paparazzi. You go in front, I go behind, then we do the this. Clockwise, go. Clockwise, you go. I cannot find it. Okay, the other side. What's this choreo? I'm so confused. Okay, do this one. You do first, Then on mirror also you see you can do. Dynamic. Yes. Let me dance. Oh, very horrible. Yeah. I'm so sorry. It's like a studio booth kind of vibes. Mass actually, right? Yeah. I give up already. Yes. One more. Do we do this? Okay, wait, I should be here, right? It's good like me. Okay. Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company.